Hello guys, welcome to the another video of AC Tech channel, and in today's video I will explain you how to delete your phone number from your Instagram account. For this, first step is to open your Instagram tab. Second step is to visit your profile. Now click on the top up right corner of setting option. You have to click here. And in the top corner, there's the option of account center. You have to just sit here and scrolling down, you can see the option of personal detail, in which you have to click again. Here you can see contact info, where your information of email and number is available. Remember that you have inserted both email and phone number, then only your phone number will be deleted. You have to click on your phone number. And from here you have to click on the delete number. You answered here. Now after writing your password, your number will be deleted. You have deleted your previous number. It means your number has been deleted. Now you see only your Gmail is available. Hope you find the solution of your view. Now you can see that your only Gmail is available. Hope you find the solution of your problem and like the video. Thank you.